Developing today, a big update in the race for a seat on the North Carolina State Supreme Court. A reminder that Judge Jefferson Griffin has challenged 65,000 ballots for incomplete registration, largely targeting mail-in ballots and military voters.
He does trail Allison Riggs by about 700 votes. WCNC Charlotte's Julie Kay has been following this since the beginning. Julie, what's the latest today?
Well, the State Board of Elections is now only requiring Guilford County military and overseas voters to cure their ballots. That's around 1,400 voters who will have 30 days to send in a photocopy or a copy of their photo IDs. Now, Griffin actually tried to include 3 other counties in his challenge of military ballots, which would have been more than 5,000. But his original complaint only had Guilford, which is why the Board of Elections made this call. Right now, as you mentioned, Riggs leads by about 700 votes. So even if no one does anything, Griffin would need to have won more than 72% of these ballots to flip the race in his favor. In a left-leaning county like Guilford, that's unlikely. I spoke with voter rights expert Bob Phillips earlier this week, who says Griffin took an interesting approach.
This is the crux of, among other things, of what's wrong with this challenge. It's a clear violation of the 14th Amendment, the Equal Protection Clause, because how can you challenge just military and overseas voters in 4 counties and not all of the counties?
The Board of Elections is also ordering all counties to confirm that 260 so-called never residents have actually never lived there, which could further reduce the number of votes invalidated. The only potential hiccup for Riggs is if the Court of Appeals comes back and orders the 3 other counties into the mix. That would be Buncombe, Forsyth, and Durham. Back to you at the desk.
Yeah, Julie was on Live Impact News on WCNC Plus this afternoon, breaking it all down because there are a lot of twists and turns.
Absolutely.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, the saga continues. Thanks, Julie.